Good morning, children. You have already learned the different kinds of angles and basic concepts of geometry. So you have already learned how to construct angles in the previous class. Now I want to know how much you know to construct the angle. So I give some sums that you have to do in the classwork. The opening day, I'll check your classwork. So I'll give some sums. So first one, construct angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Then second one, angle PQR is equal to 110 degree. Third one, angle XYZ is equal to 157 degree. Okay. Next, second one, draw a line AB. Draw a line AB. Then construct angle 60 degree at A and 120 degree at B. Third one, draw a line PQ. Draw a line PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. This AB you can take any length. Here 5 centimeter and construct 115 degree at A and 135 degree at B. Sorry, at P. And here at Q. Next, fourth one, draw a line AB 6 centimeter and construct 50 degree at A and 65 degree at B. So these three sums you have to do in your classwork. 200 pages unrolled book. In that you have to do this. So I'll check these sums. If I have done wrong, I'll teach you again afterwards. Okay? Yeah. Now we will move on to 8th standard portion. The first one, polygons. So what do you mean by polygon? Poly means many, gons means sides. So polygons, many-sided figure. So do you think that polygon, many sides? So more than 2 sides is many sides. Okay, fine. So I draw like this. Is this a polygon? No. So you tell that it's a closed figure. So I'll close it now. So this can be. Or if you tell it is a closed figure, even this is a closed figure, do you call this as polygon? Or this is a closed figure, do you call this as a polygon? Or this, here I draw like this, one here and this. Is this a polygon? No, these are all not polygons. So it is formed by line segment. Of course, it is a closed geometrical figure formed by line segment. So this can be the polygon. So all the 3 sides are. So the minimum 3 sides is required. So it is a simple closed figure. So if you draw this is also formed by closed figure only line segment. but it is not a polygon because it is a complex diagram. So it is a simple diagram or rectilinear figure formed by line segment. It's a closed geometrical rectilinear figure formed by line segment is called a polygon. So first polygon is nothing but which has three sides. Minimum 3 sides is required. By drawing 2 sides you cannot close the diagram. So the first one is a triangle. So 3-sided closed figure. First one is a triangle. Next 4-sided is a quadrilateral. It can be anything. Quadrilateral, square, rectangle, parallelogram. There are so many. We'll study later the types of quadrilateral. Then after triangle, quadrilateral, then 5-sided figure is pentagon, then hexagon. 6-sided figure is hexagon. Sorry, hexagon. And draw this like this. Hexagon. Then 7-sided figure is heptagon. So here 1, 2. Oh, this is 6 only. So one more side I have to draw here. Okay, fine. Heptagon, 7-sided figure. Then 8-sided figure is octagon. 9-sided is nonagon. Then 10-sided is decagon. So these are the different polygons. So now these are called sides. So if you join the consecutive sides, consecutive points or vertices, these called vertices, then it is called a side. Suppose if I join non-consecutive side vertices, then it is called diagonal. So how many diagonals in quadrilateral? Of course here no diagonals because all the 3 are sides. Here line joining non-consecutive vertex is called a diagonal. Here 2 diagonal, here this, here 1, then 2, then here 3, 4, then 5, then 10, no 5, yeah. 5 diagonals can be drawn. So diagonal is line joining non-consecutive vertex of a polygon. Next, these polygons are broadly divided into 2. Okay, I'll start with here, nothing is there. So quadrilateral. So I'll draw quadrilateral. So this is one kind of quadrilateral which has 4 sides, isn't it? I'll draw one more quadrilateral. This is also quadrilateral. What is the difference between these two? See here, you can see this angle. It may measure about 85 degrees. Here it is an acute angle, obtuse angle, again acute angle. Look at this diagram. This is acute angle, acute angle, acute angle, and what about this? So it is reflex angle. Here all the angles measure less than 180 degree. So interior angles measure less than 180 degree. In this, one of the angle is a reflex angle. So there is difference in these. So this kind of polygon is called convex polygon. Then here this is called concave polygons. So if you take pentagon or more sided figure, maybe one or maybe sometimes two also. Two can be here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. So here two reflex angles you can see, isn't it? So minimum one reflex angle should be there in the concave. So we'll write the difference. One main difference is here all the angles measure less than 180 degree. Here one or more angles measure more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree or one or more angle is a reflex angle. Then another main difference. Here if you draw the diagonal, both the diagonals are inside the polygon. Here only one is outside, isn't it? So here all the diagonals are inside the polygon. Here one or more. In quadrilateral it is one. In other polygons it can be more. One or more diagonals are outside the diagonal, outside the polygon. Of course, these are the two main differences. Afterwards, you can tell. See, diagonal divides this into 4 triangles. Here you can see only 2 triangles. So, this and this. So, find out other differences and list out. Okay. So, these are the 2 main differences between convex polygon and concave polygon.